Flawless joinery begins with precision layout. When that layout needs to wrap around a corner, the new Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square is the right tool for the job. Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square simplifies layout work that requires marking two adjacent sides at the same point. A carefully engineered joint eliminates any lateral play between the two halves, while allowing fluid adjustment to match any angle. The edges are milled after final assembly to ensure they're perfectly in plane with each other. Whether working with square material or oblique angles, the folding saddle square will carry your layout around any corner. We make the folding saddle squares in two sizes, 1.5 by 7.5 and 1 inch by 5 inches. They're available individually, or you can save some money by getting them as a set. For faster, more accurate layout work, order your folding saddle squares today.